Today I'm going to show you a very average trading session. I hope to motivate some of you to not give up on your trading journey. So please sit back and enjoy the video. Okay, so I like GBP USD 1 minute time frame, nice little uptrend. It has broken an important level of sensitivity, which is the 200 moving average. So we started with 2k balance and I'm gonna start with one lot size for a nice little buy. 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio in this case. Okay, so he has crossed the 20 moving average, which is super lame. I'm still keeping this trade open because if we have a look at the 5 minute time frame, we still have the 50 just over here, and it could potentially react and shoot towards the upside. Yeah, it seems like it's not $112 in the minus that really hurts. So from 2k balance to $1,881. We're in the minus. That's okay. It happens. All right, EUR USD seems like it could be nice little bearish trade. So let's open that one. Okay, so we entered our trade somewhere around here. All right, 1 minute candlesticks are definitely dominating. Nearly 3 of them a nice price action pattern. It seemed to have formed a little support just over here. Tried to break, did not break yet. Hammer formation at the moment, which is lame. I feel like this is just a consolidation before the eventual just push towards the downside. So not worried. Okay, so it did not manage to break it once again and pull back towards this area zone that I previously marked. And hopefully now we're going to see some sort of bearish pressure. And this is a great start. Huge bearish engulfing candlestick. It's still in between this area zone, as you can see. Strong buying pressure, a lot of buyers in here. Okay, finally bearish engulfing candlestick closed once again, and it closed lower than the previous 10 candles, let's say. So that's a good thing. And there we go, a nice little drop straight to take profit. Let me just go over here, $107, close this off. Obviously broker takes some commission, so $1,979. So we're nearly back. Okay, USD JPY, I like this trade very much. So let me just open 1 minute. There we go. Let's do 2 lot size trade. I really liked it because on the 5 minute time frame, if we just have a look, there's a nice little consolidation going on, and I feel like it's either going to retest one of these area zones. We still have this uptrend over here, kind of a squeeze pattern, but I'm not too scared because the overall direction at the moment at the higher time frame is quite bearish. We really didn't get the best entry, 136,674. This is where we actually entered, so we missed this move. I was talking too much, and as you can see, a beautiful drop towards the downside. If we just check it, it would be around 6 pips. That's pretty good. I don't like this bullish candlestick, but we have crossed this 1 minute little trend. However, on the 5 minute, we are still trying to. And yep, on the 1 minute time frame, look at this bullish engulfing candlestick, strong buying pressure. So we really have to look at the 5 minute rather than 1 to see where this trade is heading. I'm actually trying to trade EUR USD since USD JPY is taking its time. A nice little pullback recently on the 5 minute time frame on EUR USD, attempting to break the 20 moving average, and I really like that. So EUR USD, let's open a 2 lot size trade. Short this position just off here. Stop loss 10, take profit 10. That seems pretty damn good to me. So USD JPY, after a huge push towards the upside, we are getting a nice little rejection, bearish engulfing candlestick. Beautiful. Let's take a look at the 3 minutes 31 until this candlestick actually closes. If it does, that would be a nice 5 minute break. Okay, this seems to be retesting this previous low. Bounced back last time. I might actually even close $70 in profit. Yeah, USD JPY, just because of the 5 minute trend. I'm not sure if it breaks. If it does break like this, bearish engulfing candle in the next couple of minutes, I might have a re-entry, something like this. So EUR USD, I don't really like where it is at the moment. However, I do like this kind of protection over here. Previous area of support was broken, became resistance. Doesn't look too bad actually, but I don't like this 1 minute kind of move. It broke the 50, which is super lame, but I'll keep it open for now. All right, USD JPY, as you can see, is dropping down. We should have kept this trade off course. Bearish engulfing candlestick. It's a nice little break. We can actually enter this trade. USD JPY, 2 lot size. Let's go. This seems like it's a good little trading opportunity. Definitely should be dropping down to retest at least this area zone. We are taking our profits earlier, so it's even better. Oh god, they hit our stop loss EUR USD. That is lame. Oh my god, 200. So we're back at the losing streak. What can you do? I try to concentrate on 2 pairs. Don't usually do that when scalping. Wasn't great. USD JPY, I still believe in this one actually, so I'm not too worried about USD JPY. I kind of bummed about the euro. So you know what, I've been looking at NZD USD, and this seems like it could be a great trade towards the upside. It's having these pullbacks, so let's actually place it 2.5. I believe in this trade very much actually. I feel like that pullback is not gonna last at all, and we're gonna just bounce off this previous area of trend. Nice little bullish engulfing candlestick breaking the 50. It seems like it's gonna go back up. I had a look at the higher time frames. Everything is trending towards the upside, so it wouldn't really make much sense if it now starts dipping down. Okay, a nice little push on NZD USD. I'm still waiting for the take profit. I don't want this pullback. The 5-minute time frame, as you can see, failed to break the 2 moving averages, which is lame. But I feel like it's gonna go towards the upside because the 15-minute moving averages are actually already broken. USD JPY still not doing anything, absolutely nothing. Stale gated, boring pair at the moment. All these bearish engulfing candlesticks and nothing. It's still staying there. I mean, it's developing a little trend. It's developing like this kind of squeeze over here, right? But we're in between the 20 and 50 moving averages. We're gonna see some sort of bearish pressure, and if we break this little trend, it's gonna be even better, and we should see some bearish momentum finally. If we break it in the next maybe 15 seconds or so, that would be great. Look at this. You ask and you shall receive. 9 seconds left. Maybe we're gonna have a nice little breakout. There we go. An M pattern is definitely forming. If we break this M pattern, even better. We did break it, as you can see. Previous low, new low, really good. M formation is bearish pattern. It should continue to go down. And let's take a look at NZD USD, currently pulling back once again. Was nearly in our take profit range. I'm gonna keep this open, as I said. I feel like it will reach our take profit low eventually. Also, I really hope on the 5-minute time frame we get that break, because this would be the second candlestick or just 10 minutes of not breaking the 5-minute moving averages, which would be super lame. So hopefully that happens. Hopefully we don't get that huge exhaustion which we are currently getting. Hopefully it's just, you know, mumbo jumbo, market's doing its thing, and then we eventually reach that top. And speaking about mumbo jumbo, look at USD JPY. After that nice little break towards the downside, we get bullish pressure once again. What can you do? This is 1-minute trading for you. Okay, so NZD USD, we had this nice little push, kind of a trend change, I would say. It's like this nice little not a steep trend. I like these trends more. Anyway, bouncing off the 20 moving average, which is great. Bullish engulfing candlestick formed. Looks pretty nice. We nearly reached our take profit low. However, it's still struggling a little bit, but I have high hopes for this trade. I feel like it will do well. USD JPY, as you can see, I haven't touched it. I was just watching. Currently developed this little trend. It was broken with this bearish engulfing candlestick, and I mean, you could even say this is a gray shooting star, so even better. This does look great, and maybe finally we are heading towards the downside after breaking this. We really need to break this area of support, but hopefully these trades turn out to be very profitable, because at the moment they've really been not doing anything, pushing back up, pushing back down, and there we go. We finally get a nice little drop. Now we need to keep this drop. We need that break over here. If we reach our take profit low, we are definitely closing off this trade, because I kept it for long enough. I like scalping, not slow mode trading. I need that momentum. Okay, beautiful. I have these 2 trades open, closing them off. There we go, $2,170 dollars. I'm closing them off because I know maybe a pullback will happen, though. That's beautiful, pretty much near our take profit level. I'll take that. And NZD USD, as you can see, a nice little trade towards the upside as well. A beautiful analysis from myself. I'm happy, I'm glad. $170, not the greatest profit in the world since I've been trading for an hour, but $170 in an hour is okay in my book, especially with a $2,000 balance.